Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one video when I see where one guy on the chat say, Mona can't see Europe women, no. Mona can't see Europe women, no. Europe women where they beat their husband, mama, oh. His wife, they beat his mama, oh. His wife, I say, man, see the man, look this video. As I can't look, and I can't say where the man for the boy they shout say the wife they beat him mama, they beat him mama, this that oh, his mama not do anything oh, he may just they beat him mama oh. I say how can the girl? I say the girl they okay where they beat your husband mama? You can't show his mama back when they say bite him mama because the boy mama they Europe here, you know. So because he can't do a mugo, you know, on able call a mugo now when person go born pikin or go help they take care of the pikin all those things, you know. So I can't be surprised. But you can't make this girl can't do this kind of thing. Where you can't beat your husband, mama. The thing can't shocktalize me, my people. I can't be surprised. What if mama can't do like that when you can't beat your husband, mama? So you can't even bite her. If you not see where for bite and for back, you really bite her. And I say, what if you can't cause this kind of thing? So now later night the boy for one platform with the boy for calling where he say. Nah, the girl, there's better the girl get mental problem, you know. I say, really, because who not get mental problem, don't go do that kind of thing to your husband, mama. Because no matter what the woman do you know, if you just say you want to go beat her, come bite her for back. Like, seriously? You don't do that one away, my dear. So, when I just see the video, I just shortalize. You beat your husband, mama. What did she do you rich like that when you go beat her? What did she do you rich like that when you come be say you not to come bite the woman for back? Like, seriously, you forget say you go turn grandmother tomorrow. That your pikin where you born, and you come marry tomorrow. You can't go their house. The wife can't they use one kind they look you, they fight you, and they can't they beat you. You can't they cry. Well, you know, say you don't feel down to other person tomorrow before. So my dear, that kind of thing you not do away. For you to beat your husband, mama. You know all those girls of nowadays, I don't understand them. If marriage no grown, and by force, must you marry? By force. By force, you must not marry, my dear. As you born for the guy, you say it's not the work out. You leave him down. You can't get that hatred saying that the mama you want to go the bite. Are you kidding me right now? You're not doing away. You go bite husband, mama. So mama, what you supposed to share? What you supposed to take as your own mama? Then you go bite. So that woman, which love you feel say she will get for you tomorrow now? Which love you feel say she will get for you tomorrow? Which love? We be say your husband, mama, now you can't go the beat, now you can't go the fight. Are you kidding me? If marriage not hungry you, marriage not by force. As you try and not work out, you rest. Then say you can't beat your husband, mama. Like seriously, you're not doing away, eh? You're not just doing away at all, really. You're not doing away. Find how you to go beg that woman. Just find out you to go beg that woman because what do you do? You're not doing away at all for you to beat your husband, mama. Are you kidding me right now? Like, seriously? That one what you do, you need to go apologize to that woman. You need to go beg him. That is if you want to remain for the marriage. You need to go beg him. You need to go beg him. So the boy, I can see another video when they do again, say, in the sleep for city room, he said the girl just come give him better slap for face. Okay. Now saying, no wonder. She really get mental problem as they really talk. She really get mental problem. Because if you don't get mental problem, I don't see what it go make you slap your husband. Just go meet him for share. You just give him better slap. The boy say, now you tired. That's okay. They forget to give the girl a medicine. But I say a medicine don't finish. And this staying at home when they come talk now, I don't know whether she even see where to go buy her medicine. Now they cause her problems too. Because I don't see where somebody could just say, now your husband, mama, we can help you, bath picky, can't do a mugo for you. Now you can't beat. So the boy, now I come for you. I see one when you come to talk, say you the comment, people they insult you, you come they insult them, this, that, people were insulting you. Why they not go insult you? Because the words where you use, you say, may they come see Europe women, no. May they come see Europe women, no. Are you kidding me? Which may they come see Europe women, no. If you come marry the bad one, missing all the Europe women are bad. How you go say, man, I can't see Europe women. Now, person say me you go marry person will get mental problem. Maybe that time now your mama will tell you that time. Say no marry this girl. You say no, you must marry him. You must marry and I love of your life. You don't see what you see now. They say see Europe women. No. Now Europe woman cause your problem. Now Europe woman. Now person say me you go marry the bad one. You know date time before you marry him. I be you just can and then you just begin the bomb for you. You date time now. You see a character before you marry him. Yeah, you see a character. I get one friend before when be say he slap your husband for the presence of your husband friend. So your husband take a letter, they say they because now what if they do before the man friend no. He say go ahead, go marry him. So the person when he slap the man for his friend president never care. You go see do one for another place, another that one fit do one to the boy brother self. The boy no go fit talk because if they do one when they date him. You know, so now see better girl, I'm not go follow. Now say no, now the bad one. No, one should care. The cause of that problem, you take him as you see him, my dear. You take him as you see him because you date the girl before you marry him. You still go ahead, you still go marry him. Now what you define? You see, take him. Now what you define? A can of all day, my dear. Benin go say na caraway hungry, you now you go buy. Because me looking at that girl, the way she be, if you know, say that one really get mental problem. She really gets, and you know, my brother, you see, go marry him. You know, say the girl get mental problem when you date her. You know, they tell you know, they give her a medicine. You see, go ahead, you go marry her. So now, what you they expect? Now you see. So you'll find how that girl now may go beg your mama. If you want to stay married the girl, may go beg your mama. Because I don't know whether the woman will forgive her. Because what the girl really do, you not do her. If I see the woman back, he finish him. He bite him for back, not be small. Not be say YouTube not they like all those kind of things to put for YouTube. But for put him, he bite him, correct biting. Eh? It's not good now. It's not good, my people. So now the topic when I just get to the when I will just say today I must come talk about this thing. All those women who will give advice to our women. Don't marry because of pity. Don't marry because people they marry. Not marry because say your mates don't marry. I want marry. No. Marry for love, my dear. Marry for love. Because if you marry for love, you will tolerate some things. I don't say some men did their body, some mother-in-law did their body too. But you not be for that extent where you can't bite the woman. You not do that one way. Where you can't just bite the woman. You not do that one away, my dear. So for that one, you not do one away. So now this our sister, maybe we pray for her because they say she get mental problem, so that make the thing see come up for head. Because sometimes some things go they happen to some people, they know. You know, so this girl, you need to go apologize to this woman, make she forgive you. Because if you don't forgive you did that as a guy bill. That woman don't come. That woman don't want do anything for that as again. She go even fear to come there. You understand? So it's better you just go beg her because you go be grandmother tomorrow. If they do her to you go like her. My people who they watch me now. I beg more talk for more reason this thing with me. I beg. If now you this thing happen to how you go feel. You still love that your daughter-in-law or you not go love her. That will be the title of this video. You go still like your daughter-in-law or you not go like her. Because this thing, a guy be for somebody to beat his husband mama, a guy be. So if now you go still love this girl or you not go love her again. Because for me, if not me, it go hard because how can my own pikin wife will come beat me? You can't expect me to see come that house. You get a bill. You really get a bill. You really get a bill. The boy say he just sit down for sitting room again. He just did there. He live there for his room with the baby. He said the girl you come give him better slap for face. just come again, come give her better slap after I just see beat him mama. And I be say the girl na Egbe Roger. She ready for una. If I say this boy na your enemy, now you marry you. If I say you never marry, you never see the right one, sha. Now your enemy, now you go marry people for us. As women, they marry some men, they'll marry their enemy people for us. Now so you go marry your enemy people for his house. Because I believe say this girl, if love dey, she not gonna do all those things she do. So my people, really, if love really dey, she not gonna do all those things. You beat your husband, or you the extent you can't see bite him. Like seriously, are you kidding me? You not do that one away, eh? You not just do away at all. So my people, at the topic, where they gonna be this one. So anything you think about this video, just give the video a thumbs up and always share my video. So share this video, make it go viral. So maybe we give advice this video, not just advice to our women. Mona stop to the beat on our husband, mama. Love them the way you take love your own mother. So that be this topic of this video of today. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Subscribe and share this video. Thumbs up. Bye everybody. Bye.